Guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add extensions in your Tachiyomi app, right? So first thing, you already have to get your Tachiyomi app downloaded, and once it's downloaded, you click on it, open. So once it's open, it will be on this library. So since you don't have any extension yet, or you don't have anything in your library, it will be empty. So after doing that, after opening up the Tachiyomi app, you can see the more below your screen. Click on it and you're going to see the settings. Click on settings and you can see browse. So you click on browse and click on extension repos. As you can see there, click on add, and this is where you're going to stop. Then now you have to open up your Chrome browser or any other browser. Then once you open that up, you search for this one right here. You can see it, the Wotaku extension. So once you click on that, you scroll down and you can see different kind of extensions you want to buy. We're using the Maga extensions, so you can see this first one. Click on install and immediately you can just pick Tachiyomi and it's going to be in your extension repo. So you can see how easy. So you can do it for as many extensions as you want, quickly and easily. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. It's my next video. Bye.